Hi, this is Michael Kanellos with Greentech Media, and behind me is the Newark campus of Ohlone Community College. It's about a year and a half old, and they really emphasized energy efficiency and air quality. In fact, this building only uses 45 cents of energy per square foot a year. Woo!
The Newark campus has been a project with the Ohlone College district for some years now, but a few years back we decided that we were going to go out for a bond, and we received bond funds to build the new campus. And at that point we started the design process and incorporated various people involved in the project, such as Perkins & Will and Alfa Tech and Turner Construction, and kind of refocus things around a concept and a philosophy about an innovative and healthy teaching and learning environment.
None of these windows open. This is a completely hermetically sealed building. You only get in through the doors and out through the doors. But the air is purified by those large, big hamster wheels.
Because so much air is going through the wheels, we found that they've actually increased the times when the other air conditioning systems, the geothermal system, runs. The fans continue to run in the heat pumps, but the compressors hardly ever kick on. And that's simply because these devices take care of most of the heating and most of the cooling most of the time. Here's the wheel rotating between the two airstreams. This is inside the building, and that air is being exhausted to make way for this air coming in, which is fresh air makeup. There's a filtration system. You can see it right there. That little symbol there is the filter. So we're filtering the air coming in, and we're filtering it as we discharge it out in this direction. But these are the two pop-ups for the enthalpy wheels, that one and that structure. And so we convinced them that if we increase the amount of fresh air that we were bringing in through the enthalpy wheels, and we filtered them and got rid of all the dust, dirt and pollen, that would give you a nicer atmosphere inside the building, and everybody agrees, I think, now that that's actually the case.
So it's better than fresh air, but...
Better than fresh air. In fact, Leta will tell you, a lot of the students at the Fremont campus transferred here. Those with respiratory, lung problems, hay fever, that kind of thing, moved to this campus because they got along better here.
The view here from the back, it's kind of a cool, kind of steely, modern look to it. It's amazing, it's not a usual junior college look. One would expect something much more utilitarian or industrial, kind of frumpy looking, but this is quite hip and groovy.
This product that they have goes on top of your roof deck or your insulation and protects the roof membrane. It goes on top of the membrane, it protects the membrane.
A lot of times what happens is a faculty member will get stuck up here. Right?
Every day you go in the same spot.
There's no room for them to move about. So the students in the front tend to be the ones that are more engaged. Now, if I want to engage these people back here, I'm free to do it. I can now just walk from back and just can teach here. So the room is flexible enough where it's designed to be set up any way it needs to be set up. The importance for us about having an adaptable building that's flexible and that we can rearrange things in and knock out a wall here and not have to worry about it being load bearing, then we can do things like this and create all of a sudden a whole new learning environment for the students. The goal was initially to build an environmentally friendly campus, but more so to build a campus that was really focused around the student and a healthy and innovative learning environment. So it was the student that we were looking at and how best to design a campus around them and how would they function in a campus like this.